Hello everyone, my name is Arun Murthy. I am the founder of Excellent Tutorials. In the evening I take classes for both Indian and international students and we come across a number of HOTS questions. So I will be sharing some of those HOTS questions with you in this video series. So the question goes like this: if sin t is equal to a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square, find all the trigonometric ratios for angle t. Now this is based on your knowledge of Pythagoras theorem. So let's look at the solution. Sin t is defined as opposite side divided by the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. So here, since sin t is equal to a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square, the opposite side becomes a square minus b square for angle t, and the hypotenuse becomes a square plus b square. Now if we want to find out all the other trigonometric ratios, we need to first find the adjacent side using Pythagoras theorem. So we know that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So use the Pythagoras theorem and solve for the adjacent side. You will get it as square root of the hypotenuse square minus the opposite side square, which gives us a square plus b square whole square minus a square minus b square whole square under the square root. Simplify this, expand it using the knowledge of identities. You get a raised to 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4 minus, when you expand a square minus b square whole square, we get a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 minus 2a square b square. Open the brackets again, simplify, and you will see that only the a square b square term will remain, others will get cancelled. So we get square root of 4a square b square, which gives us the adjacent side as 2ab. Now we can write down all the remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. Sin t is already given, so we can just write it down as it is. Cos t is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, which gives us 2ab by a square plus b square. Tan A is opposite side divided by the adjacent side, which is a square minus b square by 2ab. Cosecant t is the inverse of sin t, so reciprocal of sin t. So just take sin t and write it in reciprocal order. You get a square plus b square by a square minus b square. Secant t is the reciprocal of cos t, so it becomes a square plus b square by 2ab. And cot t is the reciprocal of tan t, which gives us 2ab by a square minus b square. I have also given you a couple of similar problems for you to solve. The answers are provided in the video description. So solve it and you can check your answer. So these HOTS questions, they will help you with preparing better for your board exams as well as competitive exams. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked the video, please leave a comment and hit the like button. Also share and subscribe so that others can find this video material easily. Thank you.